Hello and welcome to this quick Yogalates practice, and we are going to get started at the front of the mat. Now, Yogalates is an infusion and blend of yoga and Pilates. Feel like I repeated myself a million times there. But anyway, rolling the shoulders up and back, looking ahead, chin slightly tucked under. Imagine that you've got a small orange underneath your chin, so it's not dropping down to your chest. And from here, bring your palms to your waist. Inhale. Feel the expansion, exhale. Feel your navel draw to your spine. Twice more. Now we want to ensure that we're keeping our core engaged throughout the poses, exercises that we're doing, which supports with stability, and it also supports us to be able to carry out each exercise and pose to the best of our ability. Bring the hands back down to the side. From here, arms overhead, drop the right arm to the right, bend over, feeling that stretch in the left side of the body. Back up, right arm comes to meet the left. Drop the left arm down, over to the left, feeling the stretch in the right side of the body. Both arms back up together. One more time, drop the right over to the left. Right arm comes up to meet the left. Left arm down, over to the right. Bring that left arm to meet the right. Coming down into a forward fold, half forward fold. Step back into a downward facing dog. Stretch it out. If your heels don't touch the ground, all good. Bend at the knees if you need to. Looking ahead between the hands and step forward with one foot in between both of those hands. So we're going to come up into a high lunge crescent pose. From here, left arm forward, right arm back, twisting. Bring the right hand to that left thigh, over into a reversed high lunge, twisting one. Left arm back to the front, right arm back, come back to center, up into a crescent pose. Palms in front of the chest, step the left foot forward. Arms overhead, rolling down into a forward fold, half forward fold. Step back into a downward facing dog. Left foot in between the hands, up into a high lunge crescent pose. Twisting on the other side. Right arm forward, left arm back. Left hand on that right thigh, coming back into a reverse. Arms back up to center. Look forward, bring both arms up, overhead. Palms in front of the chest, step forward, right foot meets the left. From here, inhale, exhale, coming down into a forward fold, half forward fold. Step back, downward facing dog. From your downward facing dog, drop the knees onto the mat. Knees hip width distance apart, palms pressed into the ground, shoulders over wrist. Tuck the toes under and we are going to hover, hovering tabletop. Navel to spine, inhale to prepare. Exhale, lift the knees an inch or so off the mat. 1, 2, 3. Knees back down. Knees lifted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Knees back down. Engage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come back down. Once more, we're going to count to 10. Inhale, exhale, engage the core. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Drop those knees. Drop back into a child's pose for one moment. Come back up, tabletop position. Swing the legs round, and we're going to come kneeling at the front of the mat. Hands on the hips, stretch the right foot out, plant it flat into the mat. From here, bring your hands behind your head. Now we are going to do some crunches to the side. So inhale to prepare, exhale, down and up. Slow and steady, control with precision. That's 2. 3. 4. We're going to do 8. 5. Working our side obliques here, working our core. Navel to spine, up. Release the hands back onto your hips. Bring that right foot in. Over to the left side, same thing. Plant that left foot. Arms behind the head. 8 on this side. Inhale to prepare. Exhale down over to the right. 1. Feeling what's taking place in your core. Slow and steady. We're not going fast here. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. Your core's going to thank you for it. 8. You're doing great. Release the hands back onto your hips. Bring the knees back onto the mat. Now from here, make your way to the front of your mat into a tabletop position, 4-point kneeling. Right foot pressed into the mat. Lift the left leg up, palms pressed into the ground, and we are gonna do some side crunches. So the obliques. So inhale to prepare, exhale. 1. And I'm gonna give you another option. 2. Keep on going. You can drop down like so. Forearms on the mat. 6. Give me 2 more. 1. Back up onto those palms if you shift position and drop that left knee to the mat. Over to the other side. Same thing. Choose your position. Now, if you drop down, you might want to make sure that you do the same thing on the other side. Completely up to you. So, 1. I believe we've done 3 here. 2. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Coming up onto your palms, dropping that knee onto the mat. From here, swing the legs to the front. Coming down onto the back, where we are going to do some roll-ups. So stretch the legs out in front, flex the feet, so toes pointing upwards, arms behind you, palms facing in between your head. Inhale to prepare, exhale. Begin to bring the chin to the chest, slowly rolling up. So coming up and over towards your feet. Coming back down. So curving at the spine, rolling down. Arms overhead again and roll up. Now if you want a modification, keep on going. Coming up, bending at the knees and coming up like so. Rolling back down. You may even decide that you want some additional support and you put your hands behind your thighs. All good. That's 2. We're going to do 8 of these. Inhale, exhale, roll up and over. You got this. Coming back down. That's 3. That's 4. 4 more. Up and over, flexing those toes. Keeping your core engaged, navel to spine, chin to chest as you lift up and over. I think we've got 2 more. Coming back up for 1. We're going to do this once more. Arms overhead once more. You're amazing. Coming back down. Full body stretch. Now from here, we are going to just do some stretching. So bending your knees, place your right foot over your left thigh, bring your hands behind your left thigh and lift that left leg. Reverse pigeon pose. If you can, bring that thigh deeper into your chest. Feeling that stretch on your right. This is great for the hips. Bring that left foot gently back down onto the mat. Place the right foot down and let's do the other side. So left foot on that right thigh. Lift that right foot off the ground. Flex the feet. Bring the right thigh closer into your chest if it feels good. If it doesn't, all good. Leave it. A few deep breaths here. Bring the foot back down, place the left foot down, and let's just do some spinal twists from side to side. So legs over to the right and over to the left. Head going the opposite side to the legs. Twice more. So that's 1 and 2. Roll onto your side. Come up onto your knees. Lift the arms overhead. Interlace the fingers. Looking up, stretching up, palms open to the sky and bring the hands back down. So that was your quick Yogalates practice. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to practice with me. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, share your thoughts with a comment. I always come back to absolutely everyone. Have an amazing rest of the day, evening, depending what time it is your end. Continue to feel, explore, and connect with your body. Thank you so much.